record saying, I believe in the mayor. I believe in the board of supervisors. I believe in them. Listen to me. All I've asked for is a 30-minute meeting with the mayor.
Yeah.
I believe that there's not transparency. That's what I believe.
That's right.
I believe that the Mayor's Office of Housing has good intent. I believe Supervisor London Breed has good intent. And I believe in Mercy Housing has good intent. But it's not being implemented. The people, the individuals who are implementing this and treating us unfairly and unjustly are few people. I believe that there's not transparency. That's what I'm asking for. Personally, as a resident for 20 years, I'm asking you to sit down with the mayor and listen to us. Rent control. Why don't we have rent control?
All right.
Why are we having to go to all the courts to get rent control when they have admitted for over 30 years we have been honored and protected under rent control? Simple, easy answer, and the mayor can say, yes, you have rent control. That easy. So that's it. There's no transparency, and I'm appealing. Once again, this is my 5th time. I'm appealing to the mayor for 30 minutes of your time to explain what we want, which is justice and fairness. Thank you.
Thank you.